Hi! Today we'll show you how we duplicate a WILKA key in our online store based on a code card, from placing the order all the way to picking up the finished key from a parcel locker. The whole process starts when the customer places an order on our website. To complete the service, the code card received with the lock cylinder is required. During the order, the system will ask to upload a photo of this card. Next, the customer chooses the delivery and payment method. Payment can be made via bank transfer, BLIK, or cash on delivery. The finished key is shipped either by courier or to a parcel locker, depending on the selected option. Once we receive the order in our workshop, we begin processing it. First, we print the order and the photo of the code card. Based on the number on the card, we enter the keycard code into the computer-controlled machine. In this case, we use the WILKA Futura machine, which precisely cuts the key using the technical data provided by the lock cylinder manufacturer, the company WILKA. It's worth explaining why the code card is so important. Losing the last WILKA key often means emergency door opening or even replacing the entire lock system. Because what use is a lock without keys? After making the key, we proceed to pack the order. The shipment includes a duplicated key and the printout of the code card photo. We carefully secure the package and send it, in this case, to a parcel locker. The final step is the customer picking up the ready key from the parcel locker. If this video was helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.